I don't see it, man. We got that shit out.
Hey, that bitch did.
We got that shit out. Come on, man. We got... What, nigga?
Bro, they some Waffle House takeover. They just brought the Scats handicaps out. Look.
Come on, man.
I'm talking about we go. You know what I'm saying? We go. Feel me? Waffle House takeover.
Come on, man.
Who else doing it?
What the hell? Nobody. Come on, man. Joe in this bitch. Come on, man. Got that motherfucker inside. I don't see Blackie. Duck the fuck off. You know what I'm saying? Got the wings over that bitch. Got the trucks over that bitch. Waffle House in the background. Come on, man. Come on, man. Y'all niggas just stay tuned. Good. We finna go through that. Yeah. See, I'm gonna give y'all niggas some POV. Fuck it. Who shit the fast?
This said Willie shit the fast.
This nigga said,
Man, hell no. You remember who was living from Atlanta? Hell no. Willie smoked G.I.
damn, G.
Willie.
You don't remember that?
Wait, Willie smoked.
Atlanta? I was there.
Where Willie?
They trying to ride. That nigga said wheel shit fast. Hell no. I'm gonna let them have that conversation. Record that shit. Record that shit good. everybody that fuck this shit, I'm going home. But you don't hit no nigga, boy?
They ain't wait on nobody.
Oh, God. They gun them bitches. Ooh, get sideways then, buddy.
That's all I got to say, Chad. That young nigga drive that bit. Man, I don't know what I was recording, Chad. I was looking at them. I know it's gone. That's sound though. Yeah, I'll see what he gonna do. Let's see y'all do y'all think he gonna hit that bit. He just might though. That little nigga don't go down. Some little cool shit. No boy don't kill, boy.
I see the shit. Told y'all, and I just gotta shake a motherfucker. He just caught that bit. Like, you know, you got black hair. Looking clean as hell. I'm just playing she dirty as fuck. We got Aaron shit, which is, in my opinion, hard as fuck. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, make sure I go follow that boy on the ground. It's her ski. It's her ski. Said platform. Yeah. Fact. We get active. You know what I'm saying? Hey, make sure I go follow me on the ground though. No kids eat.